All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Could we be living or experiencing the calm before the storm with the silver price? Are we approaching or already at the tail end of a pennant continuation pattern? Is this a good thing or a bad thing for silver right now? Well, I'll answer all of that shortly, but first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit that like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so we're going to use two main indicators in this video to take a look at silver, but more importantly, we're going to analyze SLV using the pennant pattern. So let's get a quick definition and a few points to consider first. So here we are on Investopedia, and let's read a paragraph about pennants. What is a pennant? In technical analysis, a pennant is a type of continuation pattern formed when there is a large movement in a security known as the flagpole, followed by a consolidation period with converging trend lines, the pennant, followed by a breakout movement in the same direction as the initial large movement, which represents the second half of the flagpole. Okay, simple enough. Now, a couple of points to take note of when using this pattern is to monitor volume, as stated later on in this article here. And you want to make sure that the volume is lower during the consolidation period, and the volume in the initial spike up should be higher. Also, in this video, we're not just going to use volume, but we're also going to use the RSI when we analyze the price, just so we can have some additional confirmation. So let's hop right into the chart. All right, so here we have SLV. So let's take a look and see. We have that initial upside here, as you know, we all are aware of by now. We had that a huge rise up earlier in late July and early August. But recently we've been living in this period of consolidation. So we are seeing that here as that pennant is forming here. This is the period of consolidation that we're living in. Now, underneath we have the volume here. And this, by the way, is one of the reasons why I'm using SLV. As opposed to just looking at a graph of spot price changes, we can actually see the volume of buying and selling in a pretty detailed and real-time way. But the volume is a little bit lower than what it was prior to the consolidation period. And also, let's take a look at the RSI down here. The RSI obviously lost momentum from where it was, and it's pretty much just sitting pretty in the middle between the overbought and oversold ranges. Now, let's talk forecasts. So generally, very generally speaking here, consolidation periods last about 1 to 3 weeks. So this video is coming out on August 29th. And we saw this thing dip around the 11th here. So, you know, we're basically a couple of days away from that 3-week mark. Now, does that mean we will see a hard and fast uptick by the start of September? Not necessarily, but here's the thing we should be considering, that we should expect this period of consolidation to end or to be close to ending very soon. You know, I don't expect this thing to be lingering on for weeks on end after this point. It should be ending somewhat soon. So yes, the price, in my opinion, looks like it'll head into, you know, back into an uptrend. It's just a matter of when, but I think it's going to be sooner rather than later. But guys, let me know what you think. Do you see a pennant pattern here? Do you see any additional information that you would like to add? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion.